Hello everybody, so today we are going to be creating these shooting stars with soft pastels. Soft pastels are very much like chalk. You can see there they rub off very easily on my fingers and they're very easy to use. I also created these star stencils using stencils, but you could easily just print off some larger star shapes along with some smaller ones. I am going to start by taping down my star onto the paper so that it does not move. I'm going to place it roughly in the upper corner of my paper. And I'm going to choose some bright colors. And I'm just going to start by tracing the outer edges of the stencil. Just like in the example, I'm going to alternate colors. You can have a lot of creative freedom when you're making these. You can choose whatever colors you want. And you can see these are rubbing off very easily onto the black paper. Now, in order to create the effect that the star is glowing or radiating, I'm going to take my fingers and just brush gently outward. Now I'm going to remove my star gently because it is taped, and you can see that you have a really nice outline created there. In order to create the tails, I'm going to take the pastels and instead of using the top part, I'm going to turn them over onto the side and use this longer edge. And then you have some really cool wavy effects happening. Now I'm going to create some more lines just by using that hard edge and swirling my lines. In these upper corners, I've got some smaller stars, so I just created some smaller stencils. I'm not going to take these down. These will be a little bit easier to hold. And I'm just going to use one color for these smaller stencils. Again, we're just going to brush the soft pastel outward, and when we remove the stencil, we're going to have that glowing effect happening. I'll also create tails for the smaller ones. So I'll use yellow. Choose this one. And that's it. That is the project. Hopefully you all are able to do this at home and have a lot of fun with it. Thank you.